To move a subpalette on the controls and functions palettes, go to Tools, then Advanced, and from there go to Edit Palette Set and wait for the display of Edit Controls and Functions Palette Set dialog box. When the Edit Controls and Functions Palette Set appears, you can go to the Functions palette or the Controls palette, whichever you need to work on. So let's go to the Functions palette and then to User Libraries, and suppose we want to move this subpalette, the empty subpalette. To do that, let's right click it and then select Move Subpalette, and let's click over here to place it. Another way of achieving the same is to hold down Shift, press mouse button, and then move the palette. To commit the changes to the system, go back to the Edit Controls and Functions palette set, press Save Changes. In the Preview Palette Changes dialog box, press Continue. Your changes will be saved. Open a new VI to check it. Go to the block diagram since we changed the Functions palette. Go to the palette where you made the changes. User Libraries in our case, and we move this palette from here to there, and then we move this palette from here to there. So it is working. Hope this helped, and thanks for visiting.